Hey YouTube, what's up? I'm going to be talking about my bike real fast, and as you can see I've completed most of the stuff on it, other than there's a few slight detail problems on it. One of them was, as you can see, the engine mount here is completely messed up, and as you pay close attention to the bike, you notice instead of one single what's the word, mount for the mount here, that the pipe that is supposed to be attached to splits off into two, and I had to kind of temporarily put it this way, and so putting it so, it just wobbled itself to pieces, and then problems occur and all sorts of things just go haywire, hectic. So I had looked online and see if anyone else had anything familiar or similar to this, and as far as I could tell, no. So when I looked online about mounts and stuff, and this is the closest I could come across. It's a gas tank special engine mount for those that have fat pipes. I'm going to see if I can't come up with something a little bit better as far as modifications, and see what I can do for myself, and see if anyone can have any ideas, give them ideas, I mean, and show you what I have for myself, and share comments if you like, and hope you enjoy as I go along piece by piece with this. Hope you enjoy. Bye.